how to sell fitness resistance bands on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So first of all, before showing you how to sell, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy other sellers' products. So as you can see here, we have a lot of products to buy from. So in order to be one of these sellers, you will just have to click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So as you can see here, we have 6 steps to go through. So the first one is the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then stocking your shop, then choosing how you'll get paid, then you'll set up your billing, and then you will end up with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So in the first step, you will choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for your shop. So for me, I'm just going to choose my product's name as my shop's name. So you can always choose the name that you'd like. Then make sure to shorten it to be between 4 and 20 characters. So I'm going to remove. So this is it. Let's leave it like fit resistance bands, fitness resistance band. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here in this step, you will add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before filling out the details, photos, and those stuff, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill. So here we have 4 fields or 4 required fields to fill. That starts with photos. So as you can see in here, you will need at least to upload 1 photo. Then comes the inventory, where you will need to put the price of the product. Then the listing details, where also you will need to fill all of these red fields. Then comes shipping, also the same. You will need to fill all of the red fields, as you can see. So after filling all of these required fields, then you will be able to proceed to the next step. So let's start with photos. Add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. So bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. So before we proceed to the next step, just keep in mind that videos are not required like the photos. So if you have a video, that's better. If not, there is no problem. And also, the staff of Etsy.com found that listings with video get twice as many orders as listings with just photos. So as you can see here, less than 28% of sellers have listings with video. It may help you stand out. Learn about 3 types of listing videos that online shoppers love by clicking on this link. Let's just dismiss this and let's move on to the next step, which is telling the world all about your item and why they will love it. So here we start with the title. So make sure to give it a good title. Then about this listing, you answer these 3 questions. We start with who made it. You have 3 options to choose from: I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. I'm going to choose I did. And what is it? You have 2 options to choose from: a finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories in here: not yet made, recently, or vintage. So I'm going to choose recently and between 2020 and 2023. Then you have the category. So just type your product's name or a keyword. Then you will have a lot of categories to choose from. So here, let's choose the first one: fitness and exercise. I don't know what this category is doing here. Fitness, there is nothing related between fitness and calendars and planners. Let's just choose the first one. Then we have some additional detail to fill, like the primary color of the product. You can choose it in here. The secondary color as well. Occasion of that product. You can choose it from here. Then we have the holiday, if you want to choose one. Then for the renewal options, you have 2 options: the automatic one and the manual one. And the difference between them is the first one costs 20 cents and the manual is free. Let's choose the manual. And here you have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital. So my product is physical. Then you have the description. So guys, in order to write or to type a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. Here you can add a new production partner if you have one. If not, you can just close this. Then you have these 3 additional details: the section, tags, and materials. I'm just going to skip them for later. Then comes the price field. So put your price in there. Make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your clients. Then you have the shipping settings. You fill all of these settings. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges policy. You can choose this one or create your own one. Then click on save and continue. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.